Guys, just look at this. A juicy, mouth-watering sandwich that's practically begging you to take a bite. Soft bread, creamy layers and flavors that will have you coming back for more. Welcome to Savor District. If you love delicious food as much as I do, hit that like button, subscribe and share this with your fellow food lovers because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So for the ingredients, you will need eggs, cabbage, sardine, ketchup, mayonnaise, carrots, chili pepper, seasoning cubes, and of course sliced bread. For the cabbage, make sure to wash it thoroughly and slice it thinly. This is the cabbage I have already prepared, perfect for the sandwich. Next is the carrot. You need to peel it, wash it and shred it thinly. Here is my perfectly shredded carrot, ready for the sandwich as well. For the next step, I'm using 2 boiled eggs and 1 sardine because I'm making 4 sandwich slices. Don't worry, I will repeat the same process with the remaining eggs and sardine later. For the eggs, you need to boil and peel them. Here are my already boiled and peeled eggs ready to use. Now mash the boiled eggs until they are broken down but a bit chunky, just like this. Next, add the sardine to the mashed eggs and gently mash them together, mixing everything evenly for a delicious filling. Now I have added the cabbage and shredded carrots to the sardine and egg mixture. Here I have added mayonnaise, ketchup, chili pepper and a seasoning cube. Give it a good mix until everything's well combined. Here is the mixture, super creamy, delicious and totally mouth-watering. Now I have spread this creamy delicious mixture on 4 slices of bread. These are ready to enjoy. Then cover each slice with the remaining 4 slices of bread to complete the sandwiches. And here we go, our creamy, delicious, mouth-watering sandwich. Honestly, it's next level. If you are loving this, smash that like button, subscribe to Savor District, and come back for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Bye.